how to select language you don't want automatically translated on Facebook. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Facebook application. Here in Facebook homepage, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen, tap menu. Here in menu, go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen, tap the gear icon. Here in settings and privacy and preference section, okay, you can see here the language in region. Okay, you can tap this. In language in region, you can see here the language you don't want automatically translated. Okay, you can tap this. And now here, pause in this language won't be translated unless you choose to show a translation. So okay, so you can select the language. Okay, scroll down for more. So for my example, I select the Italiano. And okay guys, here the Italiano, and after that, after you select, tap the save button to save the language. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully select language you don't want automatically translated on Facebook. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.